So hi guys, here I'm having the worst day ever. Now tell me why I took my dog outside for a walk and my neighbor's dog literally run right after me now. Listen, something just tell me say, look from the side of my eye. When me look, just from the side of my eye, the glimpse of my eye, here comes two dogs running right towards me now. Straight towards me. And trust me, I had to lift my dog up, lift him up and put him in my hand, because my dog, if you guys know that I have a Chinese Shih Tzu, and he's only 7 pounds. His name is Future, and I'm only 7 pounds, and I mean I had to literally lift him up. Let me tell you something, if I didn't lift him up that fast, the dog would have get him, and to get to him they would have get to me, because the dog was like barking at me to get to my baby. And all I got from the owner was, I'm sorry, you know, I want to beat her ass, right? But because I have so much to lose, I never answer now. I don't answer. I just say, you know what? Put the dog down and get my ass in my house before I whoop her ass, because for some reason they decide to have a dog and not put the dog on a leash. If you let the dog outside to walk or whatever you let him out for, you have to be out there with the dog and you have to have a dog on a leash. That is law. I think that is law everywhere. Now guys, if you have a dog and you think it's okay to let the dog out, or if you think your dog needs a leash, comment below and let me know, because I don't know if I'm going cuckoo on this. Don't say just walk on. Trying to get into the supermarket and get a couple of stuff. So here we go. Supermarket shopping didn't go as planned, but I ended up grabbing more than I wanted. Not no good. So anyway, a couple of things here. I'm gonna go home and cook then. I was hoping to get all of this, but what you gonna do when he's a housewife, you don't have no chance. Don't say just walk on. Don't say just walk on. Oh, I'm hot. So it's mission accomplished. I picked up my flyer for my store. Yeah. So I'm back home finally. I'm going to buy some stuff I need for cook. I'm gonna do some wings and some fries and make some quick and easy biscuits and stuff. Corn. That's what's gonna be for dinner today. And I'm having me a little sipping. So good. I need it. I'm having this right here. So that's what I'm having, with some Caribbean rum. And that is what I'm having in my glass. Dinner is done. That's my fries right there. Chicken wings and fish right there. And that was done in love. Got my corns. My biscuit almost burned up. Look at that. 1 more minute in the oven and my biscuit would have been garbage. Husband don't care because you see one already missing. He's eating it all up. And this is my homemade sauce for my wings that I made. Now if you want me to show you how I make this sauce, let me know. This is what I make all the time to put on my chicken wings. Yeah, right there. Homemade sauce for your wings. You could even put this on chicken or whatever. It's still good. Put it on anything. Fish, pork, beef. Homemade sauce in the microwave. This one is done in the microwave, not on the stove top. It's so good. That's a wrap. Catch you later.